For this video, we're diving into how ChatGPT can revolutionize your technical writing process. Writing technical documents can be challenging, but with ChatGPT, you can simplify this process and produce high-quality content effortlessly. First things first, let's define our writing task. Whether you're drafting a user manual, a technical report, or a research paper, it's crucial to outline your main points and structures. Here's the outline for a technical report on, let's say, the impact of AI on healthcare, for instance. So here it is, introduction, going down to the conclusion. Yeah, here we go. This structure will guide ChatGPT in generating relevant content for each section. Speaking of which, let's have ChatGPT remind and be informed to follow this outline right here. Let's say, please remember to follow this outline for you to help me make my report. There we go. Or be more detailed, make my, let's see, technical report on, let's see, the impact of AI on healthcare. Here we go. Let's see how ChatGPT would be notified at. It's currently loading. Yeah, here we go. ChatGPT is now notified and will be listing down in further details with the outline that I just provided for ChatGPT. And here we go. Now let's generate content for each section. We'll start with the introduction by providing ChatGPT with a detailed prompt. So here we go. Here's what I put together. Write an introduction for a technical report on the impact of AI on healthcare. Include the significance of AI, current trends, and potential benefits. Let's see how ChatGPT would respond and provide us with whatever information that ChatGPT has and stores. So notice how we guide ChatGPT to focus on specific elements. This helps ensure that the content generated is relevant and detailed. ChatGPT provides a comprehensive and well-structured introduction. Let's look at another example. For the key development section, you could use a prompt like, describe the key developments in AI that have impacted healthcare, including machine learning algorithms, diagnostic tools, and patient care systems. So let's see how this goes with key development section. See how detailed ChatGPT had provided us with these information? So using detailed prompts for each section ensures that your document is thorough and covers all necessary aspects for the document that you're planning to make. There we go. As you can see, here are the rest. And there we go. While ChatGPT can generate impressive content, it's crucial to ensure technical accuracy. Fact-checking and adding citations from credible sources will enhance the credibility of your document. Let's take one of these paragraphs, for example. Let's see, we could verify its accuracy with electronic health records here with this particular topic. With the main topic that is of the report that we're doing. So here, ChatGPT has written about electrical health records. Once again, that I just said. Then we need to ensure that the information is correct. We'll use ChatGPT to cross-reference this information. So here's the prompt that I put together. So here we go. Let's see. Can you provide verified sources or studies that confirm this? let's see. You can just copy and paste it once more and then put it as part of the prompt, or you can just click reply after you highlight that particular part of what ChatGPT had generated for you. And here we go. Now, so by asking ChatGPT for sources, we can quickly verify the generated content. But let's see how ChatGPT would do with its response. You can see it's currently browsing and searching, and here we go. So here ChatGPT has provided here, currently processing right now, several references right here. We can now use these references, for instance, like the ones that are listed down here, to verify the accuracy of our information. So, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Editing is a crucial part of writing. Let's use ChatGPT to help with revisions. So let's pick another paragraph as an example for a demonstration for this segment right here. So let's go with this one. For instance, that is. So let's ask ChatGPT to review it for clarity and conciseness. So here's my prompt right here. Review the following paragraph for clarity and conciseness. Now let's hit enter once more. So as you can see, the revised version right here is more concise and flows better. ChatGPT right here helps streamline your writing, making it easier to read and understand. Finally, let's review your entire document to ensure it flows logically and all technical details are accurate. Start by reading through each section to check for consistency and coherence. Let's use ChatGPT to review the overall flow of our document. So, for example, you can ask ChatGPT right here, like, review the following document outline and suggest improvements for logical flow and coherence. So this helps identify any sections that might need reordering or additional transitions. But we'll see how ChatGPT would do. As you'll see right here, this is how ChatGPT generates again with the outline right here. There we go. And these are the improvements that needed right here. So yeah, remember, a thorough review and careful formatting are essential for producing a high quality technical document. This final step ensures your work is polished and professional. And there you have it. Using ChatGPT to simplify technical writing can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on creating high quality, accurate documents.